This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Linktree account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Trying to show off all your great digital content on social media can be tricky at the best of times. Should you direct followers to company, website, what about the current offer, or even your other social account? Well, you have to choose as you can only put one link in your bio. But with Linktree, you can create landing page that your target audience can use to seamlessly move around your brand's digital pages, allowing you to promote new over YouTube videos, a company contact page, and everything in between. So, now in this video, we'll show you how to create the Linktree account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open the app. You can download the app on your App Store or Play Store. After that, here's for the first look. You can choose to sign up. You can choose your browser. Now you can enter your email, or you can sign up with your Google account or Apple account. We use my Google account. Tap on continue. So now you can choose your Linktree username for your account. For example, you can create your username. Now you can just tap on continue. So now you can choose in here, you can select one category that best describe your Linktree. It's for business, creative education, or tech. For example, we choose on this one. You can pick your category. Tap on continue. You can choose your appearance, your profile image. You can choose the profile that Linktree gives to you, or you can upload it from your gallery. For example, I will just choose this. You can choose the themes on your Linktree. I will just choose this one. Now you can tap on continue. And here you can pick your plan, or you want to sign up for free, you can choose on free. Continue. And now here's your Linktree account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create Linktree account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.